Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the session of EVS, and I'm Mrs. Nancy Sharma, your EVS developer. So, in the last session, in the previous session, what we have discussed about plants, and we were discussing about plants. Today, also, we will discuss about plants and please open your books, that is Global Me Wonders of Nature, Tier Book 2. Okay, so open your unit A, that is page number 6. Children, today we are going to discuss page number 6 and page number 7. Fine. Now, quickly write the date on the top, the month and the year, mark the day and the weather. Fine. Now, see. First, see the below part. Before doing the above exercise, we always read the facts given below. There are different kinds of plants. Children, see, we all know that there are different types of plants, isn't it? Yes. There are trees, there are shrubs, there are herbs, there are creepers, there are climbers. All right? Five types of plant: trees, shrubs, herbs, creepers, and climbers. Is it clear to you all? What happens? See, very big plants like mango, neem, and banyan are called trees. The trees which are very big, the plants which are very big, very huge and big, those are called trees. The stem is thick. Trees have thick stems, means moti. Okay, the stem is thick and brown in color. You all have seen the big trees. The trunk of the tree is thick, बहुत मोटी होती है trunk, like this. Fine. You all have seen the trees, and the color of the trunk is brown. We also call that stem trunk. Okay, we also call it trunk. So the trunk of the stem is the trunk is very thick of a tree, and it is brown in color. So the very big plants like mango, neem, banyan tree, these all are called trees. See the next, shrubs. What are shrubs? Shrubs are woody plants. Woody plants means of low height, which are small. They are very low in height. Okay, they are not so big and huge, with several stems arising from the base. See, these are shrubs. I'll just explain you what happens in the shrub. They are very small. See, this is the stem. It is coming from this soil. See now. This is the soil, okay? The one stem is coming out, okay, and it is not too long, okay? This is very small, and the several stems are arising from the base, means all the stems are coming from the ground. Sorry, like this, like this. These all are coming from the same part, like this. So these are called shrubs, and these stems are woody, means light brown in color. Okay, see, these all are woody stems, and each stem is coming from this particular base. Okay, it doesn't comes from here, it doesn't comes from here, no. Okay, so this is called shrubs. Is it clear to you all? This is called shrubs. Fine. So examples are like Tulsi, rose. I hope each and every child must be having Tulsi plant at home. Kindly, please, after watching my video, go and see out where you have kept your Tulsi plant and just see that it has woody stems, and moreover the stems are coming from the base only. Okay, so just watch it carefully. The rose plant and tulsi plant are shrubs, and they are also called bushes because it comes in a bush type. Okay, next is herbs. Herbs are small plants with weak green stems like cabbage, mint, grass, etc. See, these the herbs, they have green stems. The stems of the herbs are green in color. These are green in color. This particular stem is green in color. Okay, and they are very very weak. Grass. You can pluck the grass easily, isn't it? Yes, we can. Only you need a uh, little bit that we call little bit effort. Okay, you need a very little bit effort to remove that grass. Okay, you don't need to just you don't need very much energy to just plucking off the grass. So these herbs are very very weak. They have very weak stems. Is it clear to you all? So examples are cabbage, mint, grass, etc. Amazing facts. See, there are two amazing facts. Banana tree is not a tree, but a herb. It is not a tree. Have you seen a banana tree? It is a herb. It has green stem. Okay? It is called a herb, not a tree. Next, a banyan tree in Kolkata is 200 years old. There is one banyan tree which is the very famous tree. How it is famous? Because it is 200 years old. बहुत पुराना है वो ट्री. Very very old. 200 years old. Okay, so you should know these facts. You should know these. I can ask you, a dash tree in Kolkata is 200 years old, so you have to mention a banyan tree. Or either I can ask, banana tree is not a tree but a dash. Or I can ask, dash tree is not a tree but a herb. You have to mention banana tree. Fine. So let's do the above exercise. Color the boxes above as per the color codes given below. See, for trees you have to color brown. For shrubs you have to color yellow, and for herbs you are going to color green. So trees. What are trees? As I have told you, the trees are very big and long plant. Big plants are called trees. So like mango tree, it has been already colored brown. Okay. Rose plant. Rose plant is a what? It is a shrub because it has woody stems, and moreover it comes from the stem of the rose plant always comes from the base. So which color we have to color? It is a shrub, so we will color it yellow. I'm just marking it. You have to color this full box yellow. Next is neem tree. Neem tree is a big tree, huge tree. So we have to color it. Which color? I think we have to color it brown. So am I having brown color? Just wait. Let me find out. I don't have brown color in the screen, so I'm just putting this color. Think this is a brown in color. Okay. Next is Tulsi. Tulsi is a shrub. Why it is a shrub? It is a small plant and has woody stems, and moreover, the stems of the Tulsi plant also comes from the base. Okay, all the stems arise from the base. So you have to color it yellow. Banyan tree. Banyan tree is a tree. It is a very big and huge tree. So you have to color it brown. All right. The next is grass. Grass is a herb. As I have told you that it has green stems and it is very very weak. Okay, so you will color it green. Coconut tree. Coconut tree is also a huge tree. So we are going to color it brown. Next is mint. Mint is also a plant that is a herb. Okay, it has green stems and it has very very weak stems. We can pluck it very easily. So you have to color it green. Is it clear to you all? Children, any of the topic which is not clear to you, kindly please let me know so that I will explain that topic again in some another session. Fine. So don't worry. Just let me know that which topic is not clear to you. Okay? Ma'am is there to help you always. See the next children now. Come to the next page. Page number 7. Again, write the date on the top, write the month and the year, and please mark the days and the weather. Now, see, as I have told you, there are five types of plants. The first is tree, shrubs, herbs. Three we have read. The next comes creeper and climbers. Creeper. What is creeper, children? A creeper creeps on the ground. It keeps on creeping on the ground means it doesn't go up. The plant doesn't grow up, it just creeps like this. The plant is growing on the ground itself, like this. Plant will grow in this way, it will not grow in this way, it will grow in this way. Okay, fine. Is it clear? Like pumpkin, strawberry, watermelon, potatoes, they all grow like this. See, they grow in the ground itself, like this. It will not go up, they will grow in this way. Okay, like this, like this. All right, is it clear? They will not go upwards, they will go sidewards. So these are called creepers. What they are called? Creepers. A creeper creeps on the ground as it has a very weak stem. A creeper creeps on the ground. Creeps mean it keeps creeping on the ground because it has very weak stem, it cannot grow. Fine. Sorry. Examples are strawberry, pumpkin, watermelon, etc. Next comes a climber. A climber climbs up a support or other plants because it has weak stem. Examples are grapevine, money plant, bottle gourd. See, children, all must be having money plant. Most of the students must be having money plant at their home. You must have seen that money plant has been tied with something. We just tie with something. Why? Because that plant has a very weak stem. It can't go grow. What it comes, it just falls. Okay, like this. See, I'll show you. See, think there is a money plant in this. The stem of the plant is so weak, if we will not tie with something, see, if we will not tie with something, it will fall like this. It will fall like this. Okay, I'll show you in the picture also. Just wait. See, I'll show you. See, this is a banyan tree, children. What is this? This is a banyan tree. See, this is a very huge plant, a very big and huge tree. It has very thick trunk. This is the trunk, brown color, which you can see. That big thick trunk. Okay. See the next. Next is coconut tree. This is also a tree, a very big and huge tree. Okay, and this is called trunk. This particular base. This is the trunk, the stem of the tree. Next comes cotton plant. Can you see this cotton plant? This has a woody stem. Okay, this has a woody stem. This has woody stems. Okay, see this. This is a mint plant. As I have told you, mint plant has green stems. Okay, can you see this? This is a mint plant. Next comes cucumber. Cucumber is which plant is this? Cucumber plant. Creeper. See, it's growing in this way. Can you see this? It is not growing upwards, it's growing downwards on the ground. So this is a cucumber plant. Next comes money plant. See, this is a money plant. It has been tied with this. Okay, can you see this? Why it has been tied? Because the stem of the money plant is so weak that it will fall downwards. It will always fall downwards. Fine. So this is the money plant. Now come back to your page number 7. So what you are going to do is, you can see here what it's written. What you have to do, this is strawberry. So you will write this strawberry in this block. What you are going to write? Strawberry over here. See the pictures and then write. Okay. I'm trying to write on the screen. You also write it neatly. And write between the lines. Don't go above or below the lines. Okay. So pardon my handwriting. It's strawberry. I'm only writing one. Rest of the you will write it yourself. This is strawberry. The next is this is pumpkin. It's written here. You can see the spelling and write, and you have to learn these spellings also. You should know. This is watermelon. So you can write here watermelon. This is watermelon. The next is grapevine. Can you see this? This is grapevine. You will write here. This is bottle gourd. This is peas. What are you going to write here? It's not written above. You can write here. I am writing for you. Peas. Or either you can write only grapes over here. This is bottle gourd. Bottle gourd is written here. You can mention here. Fine. Alright. So now come on the top. Trace and color the pictures given above. What you have to do, you just have to trace them. Tracing means with a pencil, with the help of pencil, you will just trace this pumpkin. Trace it neatly on the line, on the dotted line. You have to trace this each and every dotted line. Okay, this means tracing. You have to trace this pictures and then color it. Is it clear? So quickly write your daily diaries. What are you going to write in your diaries? Write, do page number 6 and 7. Okay. And now, what's the last minute task I have bought for you today? Do you know this? The last minute task is here. What you have to do, name 2 trees, herbs, shrubs, creepers, and climbers. You have to write in your EVS notebook. Children, EVS notebook is, do you know which is your EVS notebook? That is your interleaf notebook. Interleaf means one side there is lining and the other side is plain. We have provided you from the school side one side lines and one side plain is your EVS notebook. So you have to write, name 2 trees. You have to write names of 2 trees, 2 herbs, 2 shrubs, 2 creepers, and 2 climbers. Fine. And quickly write your last minute task and send me. Bye. Thank you. Stay home and stay safe.